1-800-346-4800. That's 1-800-346-4800 now.
Jade makes people do crazy things.
That's my neighbor. Hey, Joe.
Hey, John.
Hey, Joe's about to make a very big mistake. Hey, Joe, don't you think it'd be a good idea if you called 811 and get your underground utilities marked?
This isn't my first project.
I think there's an oil pipeline goes through here somewhere.
It's on my neighbor's side.
Oh, you think so? Remember, safe digging always begins with a free call to 811. You need a towel there, Slick?
When internet and voice are how your work connects to the world, nothing less than 99.9% reliability will do. Switch to Cox Business today.
Growing my savings there. Get your free credit score today.
A heat advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 93 degrees under fair skies. Today, abundant sunshine. Hot. High 96. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, some clouds. Low 75. Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 96. Here's our 7-day outlook.
You can't stop a force of nature. This hurricane season, rely on one of your own. It's a fact. No other news network out there is trusted more than the Weather Channel.
This is epic!
Trusted to give you every advantage before the storm. Trusted to be there, where and when you need us. Trusted to work around the clock until every threat is over.
We're in this for the long haul.
Because America doesn't trust hurricane season to just anyone.
Welcome back in. We want to get you straight out to the ongoing tornado warnings that we have going on in north central Wisconsin at this moment. A line of very strong storms progressing eastward there around Wausau. Right now it's for Landglade, Lincoln, and Marathon counties.
Monday. The official forecast has it at 65 miles per hour, but we all know that these things sometimes are very difficult to forecast the intensity, and as it moves over water, if it does, we need to be very careful that this thing doesn't get out of hand, because there's still an opportunity for it to get stronger than forecast. 45 miles per hour in the wind speed. It is now inland over the Dominican Republic, producing a lot of rain. Look at some of these bright red shades here, or colors in the satellite picture. These storm tops are 50 to 60,000 feet in altitude, and they're blowing up right now over land. Sometimes that indeed does happen. It doesn't mean the circulation itself is getting stronger. It just means the conditions locally, the atmospheric stability, is allowing this thing to produce a ton of thunderstorms, and that's exactly what's happening right now. These winds are calm because they're not reporting. I can tell you about an hour ago they were reporting wind gusts of near 50 miles per hour in Santo Domingo, so don't be sort of put off by the fact that you're measuring or seeing calm winds there. That is an error in the system, not an error in the weather. So here we go as we watch where Fred has gone in the past, like this. It is now inland. It will be moving over the land mass continually for a while.